Hi, this is Jim Munson. We're here at Encore Packaging, and today we're taking a look at the EP2010 steel combination tool. So this tool is similar to our EP2000, whereas that tool, our heavy-duty tool, goes up to 3/4 025 high tensile steel strapping. This tool, the 2010, our regular duty tool, a little less expensive, and this guy maxes out at 3/4 023 regular duty steel strapping. So let me give you a demonstration on how this guy works. So I've got some 3/4 inch steel strapping right here. Take the tool and squeeze this handle to open it up. Slide both pieces of strap in there. Once they're both inside of the strap guide, you're going to use this back handle here to do your tensioning. Once you have that tension maxed out, this other handle here is going to do both your sealing and your cutting. So you're going to hear it make that cut. Once it does, you can squeeze this handle and slide it to the side. And then we tilt this up so that we can see the nice clean sealless crimp right here. So again, this has been the EP2010 standard duty sealless combination tool. Thank you.